Our journey begins billions of years ago, long before Earth existed. Imagine a massive cloud of gas and dust called a nebula floating in space. This nebula, the Solar Nebula, was the birthplace of our Sun and all the planets in our solar system. The Solar Nebula wasn't just sitting still, it was slowly spinning, like a giant cosmic dancer. As it spun, gravity, the force that makes things fall down, started to pull the gas and dust towards the center. Over millions of years, the center of the nebula became incredibly hot and dense. The pressure became so intense that hydrogen atoms began to fuse together, releasing tremendous energy. This marked the birth of our Sun, a giant ball of burning gas that illuminates our solar system. While the Sun was forming, the leftover gas and dust in the nebula continued to swirl around it. These tiny particles, like dust bunnies under your bed, bumped into each other, sticking together. Gravity played a crucial role in this process. As these clumps grew larger, their gravitational pull increased, attracting more and more particles. Over time, these clumps grew bigger and bigger, eventually forming planetesimals, the building blocks of planets. In the inner region of the solar system, where Earth formed, it was too hot for ice to exist, so the planetesimals here were primarily made of rock and metal. Through countless collisions, these planetesimals combined to form the rocky planets we know today: Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars. As Earth grew larger and larger from all these collisions, something amazing happened. The immense pressure deep inside Earth generated a tremendous amount of heat. This heat melted the planet's interior, turning it into a molten ball of rock and metal. The heavier elements, like iron and nickel, sank towards the center, forming Earth's core. The lighter elements, like silicon and oxygen, rose to the surface, creating Earth's crust. This process, called differentiation, gave Earth its layered structure. The core, still incredibly hot even today, is divided into two parts: a solid inner core and a liquid outer core. Surrounding the core is the mantle, a thick layer of hot, solid rock. And finally, we have the crust, the thin outermost layer where we live. Early Earth was a hot and violent place. Volcanoes erupted, spewing lava and gases into the atmosphere, but something crucial was missing: water. Without water, life as we know it wouldn't exist. Scientists believe that water arrived on Earth through comets and asteroids. These icy bodies, remnants from the early solar system, bombarded Earth, delivering water and other essential ingredients for life. Over billions of years, Earth cooled down and the water vapor in the atmosphere condensed to form oceans. In these oceans, life first emerged. Simple, single-celled organisms evolved, eventually giving rise to all the plants and animals we see today. Want to learn more about space, Earth, and the universe? Subscribe to our channel for more amazing facts and discoveries.